That I have grown to an extent doesn't mean that I don't know how it feels to have 100 subscribers for a month, 2 months, 3 months, and you're seeing people doing exceedingly well. Like they just started this week and they're making it this week. My dear, it is very, very painful. I wouldn't lie. No matter the tips that you apply, the tips of, oh, do this before upload, do this after upload, and the rest of that, it seems as if you don't really know what you're doing, even though you're applying all those things. I want to tell you something today, but before that, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And let me tell you something very, very important. The message for today is that you should not compare. Stop comparing. To be honest with you, even at this point, I still compare. So don't think it is just you. And that comparison has a way of just bringing you down. I'm controlling my comparison rate now. I'm trying to control it because when you keep comparing yourself, it will seem as if you're not doing anything on YouTube. I've been there. Even the upcomers are doing better, but you're just there. How can you have the mouth to tell people that you're a YouTuber? My God, when I was handling my beauty channel, I never wanted to tell anybody that I was a YouTuber. Because when you go to my channel, you're not seeing any growth. You wouldn't see any growth. It's just as if I'm stagnant. I'm just at a pause. And, all those things will just make you tired. For me, it's made me tired. I don't know for you. I wanted to quit YouTube. I was like, oh, YouTube is not for me. So why bother? Why bother about this? Why bother about that? But I see myself coming back to YouTube again, checking my studio, hoping that it would rise. I'll just go viral. Like when I sleep, I'll wake up and I'll go viral. That was just the prayer. God, let me go viral. God, let me go viral. But no, I did not go viral. I was just there, step by step. One subscriber today, one subscriber next week. Like step by step, I was like, oh Jesus Christ. Even the people that are coming up, they are now far ahead of me. I'm still backward. So why I tell you not to compare is that there are things happening behind the scene. Comparison will make you tired. Comparison will make you discouraged. It will demotivate you. I was demotivated a whole lot. I wanted to quit YouTube. So imagine that I quit this YouTube. I had quit the YouTube now. I wouldn't have had my beauty channel. And I won't be talking about this particular channel because I quit. The motivation was very high. I used to watch vidIQ then. I watch everybody, Ali Abdal, everybody that will just encourage you about, oh, YouTube is hard in that, the initial stage and the rest of it. But after watching them, you see, you just go back and as you're scrolling YouTube, you see on that small YouTuber having thousands of views. They are small. So how did they do it? So all these things are something that would demotivate you. And the funniest thing is that your video would be clear. You will see somebody that their videos are not really that clear making it. You'll be like, what's going on? My video is clear enough. This person, the video is not that clear, but people are rushing the channel. That demotivation might make you quit your channel. But I'm telling you not to quit because that my channel that I wanted to quit, that channel that I opened without knowing my foot, like my stand on YouTube. Nobody in my family opened a YouTube channel. I learned YouTube from nobody. I was just here on YouTube scrolling, watching videos. I had no guidance, do this, do that, and do those. No, I was just on YouTube all by myself, trying to make videos, trying to do this, trying to do that. That channel now grew. A video went viral in 2024. The channel that I was praying for a viral video in 2022, I prayed for a viral video in 2023. The viral video came in 2024, where I had like 200,000 plus views. So you see, if I had given up in 2022, based on the fact that I did not see any viral video, and no video, lifted me up, like, pushed me, I would just give up. What would have been the story? The story would have been no Kel on this YouTube space. So that is why I'm telling you, don't give up on your channel. Comparison will make you to think of giving up. Comparing yourself has a lot to do with your mental health. It will just demotivate you. It will discourage you. And my dear, you might dump your channel because you compare a whole lot. Comparison is okay when you compare to improve, but your comparison should be with yourself. What was your yesterday like? And what is your today like? Did you improve in any aspect? We are just looking at the numbers, which is, what is visible to us. But do you know that during that process, you are learning some editing skills, you're learning how to set your camera, you're learning how to use your mic. Now, if I want to set my camera because I use my back camera, to shoot this video, I don't bother to, press record and see if my video cuts here or cuts there. I'll just set the camera, sit down, and I'll start shooting, showing you that I mastered it. Because when I shoot, I'll just go there and see if my head is, showing, is not cut. But now I've mastered it. I'll just bring out my tripod, I'll just put the camera, and I'll sit down and shoot. So you see that these are the little skills that you were acquiring, but you did not know because you were looking at the numbers and it was visible. So I wouldn't blame anybody. I wouldn't even blame myself that was looking at the number. Compare yourself with your yesterday self, okay? Compare yourself with yourself. That would be the best thing. If you want to compare yourself with others, I wouldn't think it is advisable, okay? Unless you know that you will not be demotivated or be motivated. So if you know that you are someone that will be motivated, when you set a bar for yourself, it's fine. But for someone like me that will go on to become demotivated, thinking that we are now not good enough because we are not doing it right, or something of that sort, don't compare. Go ahead to compare yourself with yourself. I think that would be the better option for you, okay? You would grow on YouTube, definitely. Mine took how many years for me to even get to that amount of subscribers I have in my other channel. So you get there. Don't dump your channel, okay? You will see many testimonies that will tell you that their channel was revived and the rest of that. Even Glory C, that is also a YouTuber, she'll tell you that she has been on YouTube 3 years of YouTube. She did not see any effort, but now she's blowing up. So what if she had dumped it and be like, oh, all this YouTube thing is not for me? She wouldn't have been here and she wouldn't have been monetized. So please and please don't dump your own. Everybody have their own testimony on this YouTube space. It was not on easy mode, or it is not still on easy mode, but try. We move with the tips and whatever I'm giving you on this channel. You can do it, you can make it, and you make it, okay? That is my prayer for every YouTuber. You will surely make it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye bye.